Hello, and it is time for the big project. So, this is what you got. You got the rock, paper, scissors game. So I'm going to go this step by step, and I'm going to tell you everything that I have used in this code to make this, you have already seen. You have seen it in previous weeks. You have seen it in previous assignments. Go look at your previous codes. If you were following along with the mini projects, you should have 8 codes that work perfectly fine. So, what we have here is we have ourselves a rock, paper, scissors. I selected an answer. It said what it was. As a matter of fact, let me just go and play it out and show you what happened. Welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Please enter rock, paper, or scissors. I'm in the mood for rock today, so I'm going to pick rock. And I hit enter. The player selected rock. So if I hit rock, tell me. If I hit paper, tell me. If I hit scissors, tell me. Now the computer randomly selects between rock, paper, or scissors. Well, more specifically, it selects between a random 1, 2, or 3, and then I look at that number and determine if that 1 was a rock, paper, or scissors. And then it told me the outcome, because if I picked rock and the computer picked rock, it was a draw. Would you like to play again? Why, yes, I'd like to play again. And if I hit yes, it loops. So, would you like to pick rock, paper, or scissors? This time I'll pick scissors. And this time the computer picks scissors, so it's a draw. I'll hit yes again. I will pick paper. This time I pick paper, computer selected scissors, computer wins. Would you like to play again? Yes, I would like to win one first. Rock, rock, draw, yes. Rock. Computer wins. You know what, I can tell you, you can win. The computer does not cheat. It is perfectly random. But, and yes, it is not going to be the same thing every single time. It is, in fact, perfectly random. So, how did we do that to make the randomness different every time? So that would be something that you need to remember from your previous assignments. But if I hit no, thank you for playing, and the program ends. So yeah, basically there are 9 possible outcomes in rock, paper, scissors. Player 1 can pick rock, and the computer can pick rock. Or it could be rock to paper, rock to scissors. Or the player can pick paper, and the computer picks rock. Or paper to paper, or paper to scissors. Or you can pick scissors, and the computer can pick rock, or paper, or scissors. So there's 9 possible outcomes. So I want you to have the ability to tell me what happens on all 9 possible outcomes, depending on what happens. So I know this looks, imposing, and I guarantee you, if you're doing this in your head, you're going, okay, I need to have something nested inside of something else, but think about it. What needs to be an if statement? What needs to be a while or a for? What needs to be, an and or an or? What needs to be an input? What needs to be a random number? What needs to be an integer? What needs to be a string? You've done all these things before in the previous assignments. So you go ahead and you have an entire week to make a working, functioning rock, paper, scissors program. Once again, I will be answering questions and helping you out if you need help, but I cannot do the work for you. I will not be showing you my code step by step like I do in the mini projects. This is all entirely your work. If you want to work together with a friend or help each other out, okay, go ahead and you can talk amongst yourselves and try to figure it out. I'm not going to stop you from getting some help if need be, but just know in advance that I can have Google, and I do know how to, look up, copy, paste code, and see if you just copy and pasted it right off of a website tutorial of some sort. So I want you to actually do this with the skills that you know how to do. But you have an entire week to do this, and then, as of this video, this is the end of the C++. We will be moving on to HTML after this, so if you found this annoying and tough and difficult, congratulations, it's the end of it. So, thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.